This week, I'm pushing slime to the limit. We're testing slime in ways that have never been done before. Our first challenge is 10 pounds of glitter. Let's cut this baby open. Oh yeah, get in there. You might be asking yourself, what's so challenging about adding 10 pounds of glitter? It just looks really cool. This slime came out amazing. I love the way it looks and feels. I didn't predict how this one was gonna turn out because I knew what was gonna happen. So for all future challenges, I'm gonna be predicting what's gonna happen and hopefully I can get it correct. Let's move on to the next challenge. We're gonna be taking a hammer to this slime. I predict that the slime is gonna absorb the hammer. Let's hammer this thing. Don't do this at home, kids. This feels like if I became a construction person and they were like, here, hit this soft thing and practice your hammer swinging. This thing says it's only 16 ounces, so yeah, we're gonna need something a little bit bigger. Now this thing, it's only 4 pounds. I don't know what our budget was, but for some reason this was the biggest sledgehammer we could get, so we're working with what we got. So hopefully this will do it. I'm gonna get a bit taller so I can, you know, do the hammer thingy. 3, 2, 1. Oh, well, it's already destroyed, so. It looks like hammer versus bin, no bueno. Hammer versus slime, we got that prediction correct. I don't know if we'll be able to, oh, it's fine. Like it fits on the cart, no problem. The slime, perfectly intact. Look at that. The bin, not so much, but that's okay. On to the next challenge. We're gonna be testing how much slime can stick to the wall. Now I have Haley here. She's a resident expert in sticking slime to the wall, is that right?
That is absolutely correct.
So you know what slime stick the best to the wall?
Absolutely.
So do you think this slime has any chance in sticking to the wall? Because I have to make a prediction.
If it's in a smaller amount and at enough speed, there's a possibility.
Okay, so I'm gonna say it will not stick to the wall. All right, let's do it.
I don't think it's gonna stick to the wall.
That's good for me because I predicted that it won't.
Oh, it bounces good. I don't know. I'm just really good at this.
I'm genuinely so surprised. I legitimately did not think it was gonna stick and you got a second try. Well, I stand corrected. I guess we can stick this slime to the wall, so that means I got my prediction wrong. Thank you for helping, Haley.
Of course, thank you for having me.
Challenge number 4, we're gonna be using a electric bug zapper. I don't know if this thing is even gonna work, because it just feels kind of cheap and plasticky, I don't know. I'm predicting that this isn't gonna do anything to the slime. I don't know, let's just see. 3, 2, 1. See, look, it's not gonna do anything. Oh, let's put some slime on top of it. What the? Why isn't it doing anything? I don't even know what it's doing. Ah! Oh, that's what it was. It was burning. I don't think the slime itself burned. Yeah, it smells now. Oh, I think all it really was burning was just the glitter. I stand corrected. This thing actually works. Our 5th challenge is we're gonna be testing gravity. We have an X on the ground and I'm gonna throw slime off the roof of our building. Anna and I have a side bet going that if I can hit her, that she owes me $100.
You don't stand a chance against me, Christian. Let's do this!
It's like a whole new world up here. Dude, there's no way slime's gonna survive this. My prediction is that I'm gonna hit Anna. I'm gonna be $100 richer. Look at her, gloating. Oh, makes me sick. I've also decided to name this slime Geraldo, and I hope Geraldo will make me proud. Let's go, guys. I'm $100 richer, and the slime survived gravity. Geraldo gave me the dub. We're gonna be doing Diet Coke and Mentos, an internet classic. Before we even do anything with slime, I wanna test and make sure that the Mentos we bought and the Coke works, because I've never done this before. So let's try it out. I don't think it matters which specific type of Mentos you use. I'm gonna try to put 7. I don't know if I'll be able to, but all right, 3, 2, 1. Works. That's so fun. So the test went super well. What we're gonna be doing now is adding 6 Mentos in here, and we're gonna see if the slime can cap and prevent any of the spillage going anywhere. So my prediction is that it's gonna work because I think it's gonna create an airtight seal and it basically will not let the reaction happen. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm so nervous. Okay, go. Oh, no. Oh, no. I really thought it was gonna work. It must have just been so much pressure that the thing literally just pushed it off. That's insane. Well, I guess my prediction was wrong. The next challenge is we're gonna light this slime on fire. Now, slime kind of really isn't flammable, but we're gonna put a lot of lighter fluid on it. Hopefully that will get it on fire. We've actually technically done a fire at 3,000 degrees. Roll the clip, Dan.
2,000 degrees to be exact. They're actually leading at the Eastern Conference right now.
So we've technically done this before. So let's light it on fire. And by the way, don't do this at home, kids. We're gonna be using about 16 ounces. I made a bowl for the slime so we can have the lighter fluid sit in there. Now I got it full of lighter fluid. We're gonna strike a match in 3, 2, 1. I broke the match. Take 2. 3, 2, 1. Ah, I missed. Take 3. It literally doesn't want to get lit. I've been given hand sanitizer. Hopefully this should do it. Don't do this at home, kids. Oh, I'm okay. The lighter fluid is working. So the slime is definitely burning a bit. We're gonna have to let the lighter fluid fully burn and then let it cool off before we can even touch the slime. So it'll be a little bit.
This is enough, Christian!
What the heck? This is the results of our slime being burned by the fire. The slime is actually like not terrible. The package did not do so well itself. We realized before we recorded that I did not give myself a prediction, but I think it was pretty obvious that this thing was gonna burn. For our final challenge, we're gonna be doing dry ice. We're gonna see what happens when we put dry ice on this slime. My prediction is that it's gonna be cold. Whatever pieces of slime that are touching the dry ice are gonna be completely frozen, like rock hard solid. I think Gregorio is gonna be able to survive this, but I don't know. I mean, he's been through a lot today, so we just wanna make sure that he's gonna do all right. I believe this was like about 9.5 pounds of dry ice. I could have looked up and see like, oh, how cold is dry ice? I don't know, it's just really cold. No, I can't really feel it. I think if I could actually feel the dry ice, it would literally give me frostbite. So I'm gonna try to push this into the slime. I can feel the coldness now. See, look at now it's frozen. Let's drip some slime over it. We've officially encased the entire thing. Actually, this is 2 tests 1, and the slime protect the dry ice. Let's figure that out. So we have a 4-pound sledgehammer. See if it'll protect it.
Take your anger out on this.
Gregorio, this is what you get. Oh wow, that is so graphic. This one's for Scrub Daddy. Oh, definitely. This slime did not protect it. That is bits of dry ice in this slime. It's not even like rock hard, like it still is slime. You think with how cold this, wait, maybe on the bottom? Oh wait, whoa. So the slime that's on the bottom, it's so cold that it froze, look at it. That's crazy. So it's the stuff on the bottom. Yeah, look at these are all like, this feels like I have like a rock hard piece in my hands, like that. This piece is like frozen solid. Frozen solid. There we go. I guess my prediction was right, because it was literally the slime that was directly underneath the dry ice was completely frozen. This thing that I murdered brutally was supposed to be Aaron. So yeah, sorry Aaron, I didn't mean to, I guess I did kind of murder you, but I had a sledgehammer in my hand and whatever got presented in front of me was gonna get smashed. I think we need to have a proper funeral for Gregorio for his service to the slime community for going through all these tests today.